Mark here from my Backwood Adventures. I'm back again, trying to do up a few more videos here. I know I've been away for a while, but I'm gonna try to get some more videos in here. Just took a little bit of a break there, but anyhow, beautiful morning here this morning. We had a little bit of a snowfall over the last couple of days, and so I've been cleaning up some snow. I've got a log on the mill. Got a nice pine on the mill here, so I gotta take you guys back to the cabin and show you what's going on over there. There's a little bit of an update over there, obviously, since I haven't been videotaping or making videos about the progress over there, but it's looking pretty good. Haven't been able to get out there, weather and everything else, and work and all that stuff. But anyhow, I got to figure out what I need to cut here for the finish off the inside walls of the cabin with this pine. I've got some more pine over there I got to cut up for my faux beams. But anyhow, this is a here, I'll show you. This is a it's 21 inches at the small end here, and I don't even measure the big end. Hopefully I can get through. I got the sawmill just about all the way. I can go up a little bit higher, I guess, but I gotta see if I can cut a slab off of this, and then cut her down. See if I can move it, spin it over. Anyhow, she's a big one, but I've done big ones before, so we'll get through her, I'm sure. Anyhow, I'm gonna get milling here, so glad you come along. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece of wood there, right there. It's a nice looking pine, no knots. I gotta try to flip it now with the tractor. I don't think I'm gonna try by hand. Getting too old for that. But anyhow, we got a tractor here. We'll let the tractor do the work. Let's see how that goes. Well, it's shrinking down. I'm going to flip it one more time with the tractor here to have a look here. Square it up on this side. It's got a couple sides squared up, so I'm just gonna it's still a fair size, so I'll probably flip it one more time with the tractor, and then from then I should be able to handle it by hand, I hope. Well, I'd have to say it's much easier with the tractor, that's for sure. I hear a woodpecker. Hear that? He's awfully loud this morning. Anyhow, I'm just gonna cut this one into a cant here. Whatever it ends up, it ends up. I'm just cutting 1-inch boards off, or for now I can always use 1-inch boards until I get down to the whatever cant I get, and then I'll figure out. I just got to figure out what I need for the cabin. I know what I need, but I just got to figure out how I'm going to maximize with the 2 cants that I have over there and this one. See what I can come up with to finish off the cabin. But it's been a lot's going on since my last video, so gradually I'll update you on what projects you probably saw. There's a backhoe here behind me, but it's not mine. I wish. But anyhow, lots of updates, but we'll take it slow, and we'll update a little bit at a time as we venture on here. So anyhow, I'm gonna cut this down a little bit more, and then we'll get her down to a cant, and we'll meet back here again. Well, folks, I cut it down to a nice, beautiful 13 by 13 cant. Just beautiful, gorgeous wood here for this out of this pine. That was the butt end of a tree I harvested last winter. I cut some. That's 5/8 boards right there. I need for the cabin, and some 1-inch boards there. I just need for whatever. And so what I'm gonna do now, since I don't know if I've mentioned this, but I did put the lap siding attachment on my sawmill, my HM130 Max, and so I'm gonna I think I'm gonna cut a couple 1-inch boards off of this from each side and get it down to 12 by 12, and then cut her down the middle and make some 6-inch lap siding, 2 cants. I've got another one over there that I cut last year, well, last spring or so, last summer sometime. I got a cant over there. I think it's 13 by 13 as well. I think I'm gonna trim that one down, and so I'll have a lot of spare lap siding. My garage, my house, whatever, can need it for. Can always use it. So, and I think I might have enough here for the cabin. But I've got some other pine there anyway. I can mill up. So anyhow, that's gonna be. I'm gonna take care of this. This cant here. It's gonna take a little break, and then I'll come back, and then I'll cut that one up into some siding. We'll see in a bit. Okay, folks, just had a little break here. Now I'm back at it. So I did cut that cant down into 2. Cut it down to 12 inches, 12 by 12. Split it down in 2, and then I got one on here. I just started cutting some lap siding here. I'll show you. So there's that cant which I've been cutting from already. So I'm just going to continue cutting, so sit back and enjoy. Well, there you have it. Just cut that one into some lap siding. Give you a side view here, end view. It does a pretty good job. I'm pretty satisfied with that attachment for sure. Because as you can see, my garage, if you look behind me, is lap siding. My house is lap siding, so can always use some of that for sure. So I'm going to cut the other one. I'm going to end the video here now. But I'll just continue cutting the other one, and I've got another cant over there. Like I said, I might cut that into lap siding as well. Anyhow, glad to be back, and hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I can be back again soon and give you some further updates on all my projects and what's going on, especially the cabin build. Might be tough to get there before I get back to work this time, but we'll see. If I do go, I'll certainly take you along. Anyhow, be kind, be safe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.